Good morning! Good morning!
What are we up to today?
It is 7:56 and we are driving. So yesterday we drove from Moab to Salt Lake City, and we are in Salt Lake City exclusively to get our fridge replaced. We're leaving on Saturday morning and we'll pick up the new fridge at the General RV in Utah in September. That's the plan right now. We're hoping that works. On our way to drop off our trailer to General RV in Draper, Utah to get the fridge replaced.
Yay!
Quarter mile. Use the
7 weeks
lane to turn left onto 134
later.
I think it's 8.
I think it's 7 whole.
Well, 8, including the week we were at home.
Oh, well,
probably.
that's true. If you're
That fretting counts.
ever wondering how long it takes to get your camper fridge replaced, the fridge arrived on Friday
Yep.
in Salt Lake City.
Yep. This whole thing has been a whole process. I don't think we've taken
We have not talked about it
right.
at all.
But it was disappointing. The whole thing was
Not handled in the most efficient way possible.
And maybe we'll talk about it at a different time. And today's a day of celebrations. So we're getting the fridge replaced, and then there's a list of like 5 or 6 things that we want to have.
Items.
Yeah, punch list items that we want to have addressed. And on our way.
New fridge day.
Yeah.
Everyone say, yay! We dropped off the camper.
Yes.
How'd that go?
I don't know, fine. Gave them a priority list of other things, and it's a little hectic getting in and out of there.
Yeah. Seems like everyone kind of has the same drop-off time, 8 a.m.
There was like 7 RVs there getting dropped off at the same time.
Yeah.
And checked in, and so.
Our house is not back there.
So
because
I'm a little bit nervous. Like, it feels weird. A little nervous about it.
Yeah.
Everything's out of our hands right now. I don't like it, but it has to be done.
Yep.
So.
Now we're gonna find somewhere to work and do school until we can.
Still a work day.
Yeah. Until we can go to the hotel. We are walking around Salt Lake City this morning. We did a little bit of homeschool at work at a coffee shop. We are walking by the Grand America Hotel here, which is pretty fabulous. We just walked through it.
That's the one we're staying at.
Not, we're staying at the Little America across the street, which is
awesome.
a whole, oh, it's turned into a Smith thing now.
Yeah.
It was my family thing.
We stayed at the Little America in our RV in
Cheyenne, Wyoming. I grew up staying there, and we stayed there in the parking lot in our camper a few weeks ago. So now we're staying at the Little America in Salt Lake City. So we're walking to the main Salt Lake City Library to do some school. This is the Grand America behind us here. So we got Collins,
It's the
Earth.
layers of Earth.
and Evie's got a sunset. The attic. Do not throw or fight with our building blocks. Don't do it. found him. Colin, what did you find?
I found all the graphic novels.
Hey, we are having ourselves a Utah-rific afternoon here. We are at Thirst. Hey Evelyn, what did you get?
I got Mountain Dew, Blood Orange, and Vanilla Cream soda.
How is it?
Really good.
Should I try it?
Ben, what did you get?
Sprite Blood Orange.
And how's that?
Really good.
Colin, what did you get?
I got Dew Power Wow. It's Mountain Dew, Powerade, it's Blue Powerade, and coconut.
Ooh, how's that? Daddy's has Dr. Pepper and raspberry and cream.
coconut cream.
Amazing. Okay, Evie, talk us through it.
We are touring
What are we doing?
the East High that they filmed High School Musical at.
East High. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got our self-guided tour.
Souvenir map.
Does it say that?
Yeah, souvenir map.
No. Okay, we need to get on with this, guys. We can't miss anything. There's 3 floors of magic here.
What?
Should we go? Should we close their eyes for the big? Are we going in the
We
gym?
need to go on the other side. The other side's up.
Troy Bolton's in there.
Sharpay's locker. And Kelsey's
You said Sharpay has 1 locker in High School Musical, and then
in High School Musical 2. She has 2. Or High School Musical 3. She has 2.
Try to
Plus they
open
all
it.
come together.
she gets like a bigger locker. You think that's really someone's locker?
That's Star Treatment right there. Where you like bang the locker and open.
I think in every movie where there's a high school, that's what you do, yeah. Okay, stop. We don't need to get in trouble here. I don't remember if I filmed the front. This is the front of the real East High School. I will insert the photo of Evelyn looking jazzy here. I'm not sure how many vlogs there are about the tour of East High School.
What
What do we
team?
think?
What team?
What do we think?
It was
I
really
think-
cool.
We're all in this together. And we did
Stick
the
to
tour
the stuff
together.
you know.
We stuck to the stuff we knew from the map. And
Supposed to be a person to buzz you in, which like they seemed to not be there, but that was okay because we got in anyway because the students are very used to this sort of thing. There was a map with all the iconic
Hot
movie
spots.
stuff that you need to see.
Take the next right on the south.
Let's see, classrooms locked because it's like after school.
oh, for sure Troy Bolton would be in that. We saw the cafeteria.
Yeah,
Stay to the
I'll go around.
the bus. I think you can go right now. Still working on our thirst.
In 400 feet, turn right.
We are continuing our Salt Lake City day by walking to Proper Burger, which is like attached to Proper Brewing. So we're gonna get some dinner and try some beer.
I'll give you
Utah has
burger.
breweries,
Proper burger.
but they're kind of hard for us to try because we have children who are not allowed in, essentially. So by having this restaurant attached to the brewery, you can go there with your kids, get dinner, and try some Utah beer. So that is what's on the agenda for the evening. We are walking there. Well, number one, it's half a mile from our hotel, so there's not really a reason to not walk there, but we were driving directly past And they only have like 9 parking spaces in their parking lot. So we decided to just park in our hotel and walk over.
Which is Little America.
And that's what we're doing.
We're at the Utah Natural History Museum. And we're in the past world section.
Area.
That right there is like
This is really cool that we got to come here because we are homeschooling. I paid $19 for the 4 of us to come here instead of $77, which would make this cost prohibitive. And we're gonna see some Utah dino fossils here. What is this guy? Okay, so are these all? Huh. This is the takeaway of what we've learned seeing all of this ancient rock business. The world is old and people are not.
Oh, this is the Utah Ceratops.
Utah Ceratops? Hold on, what? This one? Cool, I've only heard of the Utah Raptor. Oh, I recognize that guy over there.
oh guys, look at that guy's eye. Yeah, that's where his eye was. That little circle.
That's amazing.
Guys, have you ever wanted to see what Utah Raptor foot looks like?
This is, what is this, Colin? What is
Utah Raptor foot? Number 6 is Utah Raptor foot.
Whoa, those are some big claws. Oh my goodness. What are those?
These are rubber jaws. Chomp, chomp.
Wow.
Millions of dinosaur bones. Right?
This is cool. We get to step on it.
That's a Stegosaurus. You can over the plate. I know about one connecting piece yet.
Evie,
Yeah.
tell me, if you want a successful museum, what do children want in a museum?
Things to do.
Just something to touch, right? You can touch it. They will love your museum.
You guys are walking their way out.
Do you think they can get out though?
What is it?
Ant Hill. What do you think?
He says, hey, what's going on? Sometimes they like to look at people when they touch them.
What do you think?
It's scary and cool at the same time. I think I can see the eyes.
Yeah, she's looking at you. It's a big snake.
Oh man, I think she's trying to get to me.
What is she doing?
You, Colin?
Oh, hello.
Actually, how good is she?
Tell me what's going on here.
They are uncovering dinosaur bones as we speak.
As we speak, they're uncovering dinosaur bones right here.
Probably not when you are seeing this video.
Or when we're filming it.
Yeah, Sam,
How was your visit?
it was good.
What do you think of this museum?
If you're in the area, I would definitely recommend coming.
Yeah.
We had a good day.
What is the coolest thing here?
I really liked the dinosaur bones. Looking at dinosaurs.
We're here to pick up the camper. See if she's fixed. Okay, it's here. We're gonna get ready to take it with us. Go on with our journey. There's a fridge, it's cold. I filled it with food. Hopefully we're good to go. Okay, moment of truth, here it is. It is glorious. We had not talked about this like at all in the vlog, so let's talk about this. This has been our refrigerator for the last probably 4 or 5 weeks, probably 5. This has been the fridge. First we had the cooler, refrigerator, which was a game changer when we got this thing. It's amazing. It plugs in. This is the contents of what we had in our teeny refrigerator. And now I'm getting ready to load it up in the new fridge. And for the first time ever, we're going to need to figure out how to tuck groceries into the fridge so that they do not fly all over the place when we're driving. But these are good problems to have. Okay, here it is. Wow, we really don't have much frozen food, Tim.
We ate it all.
We did. Well, we ate like everything.
Put it out.
Refrigerator life. The big celebratory purchases were Chobani Flip. Extravagant butts and
coffee creamer.
Hashtag not sponsored.
You're bearing the lead here.
Oh,
this
sorry.
Was the ultimate.
I know. we haven't
had
our giant box of
7 weeks.
I know. That is like our staple, #1 staple food in our life. And
I was telling Ann a few minutes ago that I knew she'd be excited for this new fridge. We've been talking about it for 7-8 weeks. I didn't realize how excited I was going to be. I am.
Why do you think is the source of your excitement?
Probably that you're happy.
You can start eating good food. That's what you're excited about.
We've been eating fine. We've been managing. Did you ever show our fridge?
I just showed it.
Okay.
I showed what came out of it too, like how much stuff we had in there.
Worked.
It was great.
That I don't know we talked about, but that.
No, it's great. I said it was a game changer.
It was like $200.
Yeah.
And yeah, well worth it. And now we have a backup if our fridge.
We are definitely keeping the refrigerator, the portable car fridge.
Yeah, I am
through this
ecstatic,
journey.
over the moon. I want to pop the champagne and So,
yay, fridge day.
Yeah.
Oh. So this time we hit up Fizz. And Evelyn, what drink did you get?
The sharks in the water.
And how was it?
Shark gummy bears.
She can't get to them yet.
I
Okay.
can't get them to empty.
How was it?
It was really good. It was Sprite with blue raspberry.
Oh, that sounds good.
It was really good.
That's what made it blue. Okay, what was yours, Ben?
Chandler Bing
Chandler Bing.
as coconut, pineapple, and strawberry.
And how was it?
It was good.
Colin?
I got the beauty school dropout as Dr. Pepper, whipped cream, 1 coconut, 2 pineapples, and a strawberry puree.
Do you have an opinion on Thirst versus Fizz?
I think Thirst was better.
Yeah.
Colin's Thirst was better.
These were fancy. Whipped cream's pretty fancy. Yes.
I like the Fizz one.
I like Thirst.
Dado, you liked your Thirst better.
Good. They're
So
all
good,
good
though.
though.
So good. So fun.
Yeah.
Last night, we stayed at this Harvest Host location. It is a farm in basically central Utah. And I mean, it was a great place to spend the night / this day while Tim was working. The best part is the kids just had a good time seeing the animals and you hear the cow and checking out the farm life. They basically got a tour of the farm from the 3-year-old boy who lives here, and it was really fun. It was a very good spot to stay in central Utah. So now Tim is getting ready to hook up and move on to Bryce Canyon.